खबर तफसील से। नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के नायब सदर और साबिक वजीर आला उमर अब्दुल्ला का कहना है कि तालिबान के मामले पर मरकजी सरकार को अपना मौक़िफ़ वाज़े करना चाहिए। इन्होंने कहा कि अगरचा मरकजी सरकार तालिबान से पहले ही बातचीत कर रही है, ताहम सरकार को चाहिए कि वो तालिबान के बारे में अपनी सोच को अवाम के सामने जाहिर करें।
Either Taliban is a terror organization or it is not. Please clarify to us how you see the Taliban. Is the Taliban a terror organization? If it is not, will you move in the United Nations to have it delisted as a terror organization? Because right now you are presiding over the United Nations Security Council. If it is a terror organization, then how do you distinguish between Taliban and other terror groups? If it is not a terror organization, then please move in the United Nations to have it removed from that list of terror organizations. Let their bank accounts start functioning and let's not treat them differently. But you can't have different yardsticks for different organizations. If they are a terror organization, why are you talking to them? If they are not a terror organization, why are you banning their bank accounts? Why are you not recognizing their government? Make up your mind what it is. I am not the decision maker.
PAGD के तर्जुमान मोहम्मद यूसुफ तारिगामी ने अफगान